Hi, my name is Valentin Zeller. I work with Ingram Micro, which is an American distributor, global distributor. We sell hardware and software for big American brands or global brands, international brands.
So for example, I see HP here, HP Enterprise. What do you do with them?
I am a technical pre-sales consultant, which is a very big title, but basic things I do is I configure server systems, storage systems, or networks for customers that will be implemented in office buildings, for example, and that provide reliable hardware for the server tasks, to provide the Wi-Fi for the employees, the internet connection, and does that reliably and consistently. We can also offer service contracts to go along with it, so we keep it running for you and we can upgrade it and all of that.
So does that make you expert in all the tools and technologies that are available in the industry?
Not expert level yet, but there's like certifications I have to be allowed to advise customers. So there's like the associate level and the professional and then the expert level, and I'm at a professional level.
And here it says Microsoft Solutions, so there's a bunch of Microsoft solutions.
There's is a different department. This is my colleague, Solin Tai, and she is the expert for the Microsoft solutions.
Yeah, and here we see SUSE.
Yeah, this is SUSE Linux and SUSE services, of course, and licenses. And you can talk to my colleague Stefan for that.
And here we see Boston.
Boston is server and storage solutions. Those guys run the data centers, and they do a good job at it.
And there's stuff like this. Does it look like what you work with also?
This is what I work with. This is like a huge server system with a lot of PCI cards in there for compute. And then you have 2 processor cores. The DIMM slots are not populated right now, but you can add up to 24 DIMMs in there for memory, and then have a big capable system to run whatever you...
big GPUs?
Yes, this is a big GPU, and there's one in there. This is an A40 from NVIDIA, and you can have up to 1, 2, 3, 4, so 8 in total, maybe even more, 10.
So when you build something like this, you help people build this in the company, what they will do with it?
They will run their AI workloads on it.
It works?
I hope it works.
Because all this AI stuff is still pretty new, right?
Yes.
And people are trying to figure out what to do with it, right? And how to implement it, right?
Yeah, it can help with so many things. So if you think of the internet as externalized knowledge, so you don't have to remember, you can think of AI as externalized thinking. So you can give the AI certain thinking tasks along with your externalized knowledge, and then you can be aided in your daily work, or it can take over tasks for you if you want that.
Can you explain a little bit more? So we're here in Switzerland, right? And
yes.
Distribution, it has to do with distribution, but also implementation.
Yes.
Right?
So big manufacturers like Hewlett-Packard Enterprise, they want to focus on manufacturing their products and be good at it, but they don't want to deal with the distribution channel, the supply chain. So that's why they have contracts with distributors like Ingram Micro that will handle that for them. We don't sell directly to end customers, but we have partners that do. So we supply the products, we help them make decisions on what to buy and help them plan their servers, storage, and network.
Ingram is a big company, no?
Yeah, we have about 35,000 employees globally, 50 billion revenue.
So many markets you specialize in, many countries.
Many countries. We can reach 99% of the world with our products. So we have a foothold in every country, and we can supply technology to the world.
And how to judge which is the best distributor in this business? Like, there's a competition. There's a bunch of other companies also, but then you somehow, your company has better experience, better prices, or no?
There's others, not that many others at the size that we are, like maybe one other. And the customers and partners can decide for themselves which company they work with. We don't force anybody to work with us, but I hope we can provide a better service than the competition to have an advantage.
And when you were talking about your job, you were saying like you actually go there on the field, help the companies, you build the stuff. So I guess sometimes it's really exciting to know if it's an interesting project you're doing, right?
Yes.
Sometimes it could be more interesting than other projects, right? I guess.
Yes. But no, we engage and deliver a professional service with any customer. But we don't go to the customer side that much. It's more for the partners, like in between companies that would implement the systems on customer side, not myself. We offer that as a service too for like consulting or education or like proof of concepts, things like that, optimize their system, but that's not our core business. The core business is distribution, like handling the supply chain.
And here, the Swiss IT Forum, what kind of discussions do you have? What are people asking?
All kinds. Mostly it's just informing people, getting to know people, and getting new contacts. And then sometimes you have project discussions. Somebody comes to you and says, I need 200 terabytes of redundant storage. Then we can talk about that. People come and say they have compute workload that is huge and they want to plan a system for it. And sometimes it's about networking when they have to supply a network for like 2,000 people in a concert hall.
Sometimes it's a big company that has a lot of money and they're like, I want it fast, and you just know how to make it happen. You can just get the stuff from wherever country you need to get it in, and then you just start putting it in like in record time, or that's not really what you do? Yeah,
we can deliver fast, of course. We have a central storage facility close to Munich that will be delivered from there, and delivery times are a day to 2 days if it's in stock there. If it's not in stock there, it will take a little bit longer. But we can definitely talk about delivery times and get technology to people fast.